Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 10 years. The state is remaining silent on your application. And then there are no contact orders. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report, state?
Yes, sir.
Defense?
Yes.
Any objections to the PSI report, state?
No, Your Honor.
Defense?
No, Your Honor.
All right, the state is silent. Defense, do you have any witnesses?
Just GPS for a considerable amount of time while this case was pending. I think maybe since
It's been a year or 2 months.
a year and 2 months, he's been on GPS with no violations. And I think that speaks to his motivation to do better and his respect for the court orders and his ability to be a successful probationer. And I hope the court will take into account, that's a significant amount of time. He was on full GPS house arrest, and then that converted to partial, where he's been able to work, but no violations. And so we're hoping the court will give him an opportunity to show the court that he can be successful on probation.
All right, but here's my concern and what I don't understand. How old are you?
37.
You're 37. I don't understand going to a bar and people tell you to leave. And your answer to people telling you to leave is, I'm going back to my vehicle and I'm getting a gun and firing the gun. I don't understand that.
I would say that the offense report and PSI reflect that he says he had 5 beers and 3 shots. So I would submit to the court that he was not thinking.
Yeah, I mean,
and I'm not saying that intoxication is a defense or mitigating at all. I'm just saying that, it causes a loss of impulse control. And
I mean, I understand what you're saying, counsel, but sometimes I think alcohol gives people courage to do what they otherwise wouldn't have done, as opposed to, oh, my inhibitions are released.
The altercation at the bar wasn't good. I think that there were probably others there who also had weapons. Again, not to say that there's necessarily a defensive or mitigate, but maybe it's a little mitigating. It just turned out to be a very rough circumstance. I'm not making light of the offense because obviously it's serious. And I think that the PSI speaks to the alcohol being an issue and intensive outpatient. So I think if the court would give him a seat to address